I am walking nature, and this person got knocked out. Knocked out. Shut up. I'm walking through the woods. Everything looks beautiful here. I'm walking through the woods because you people, I think you people are bored that I keep staying in the room. So I'm going out for a nature walk back home. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm taking a walk back home. The leaves. I can't smell anything. My nose is destroyed. Ooh, look, a little bird. I'm going there. Wait, already told me to not trust anyone unless it's your best bud. Well, I'm not trusting anyone yet. I am going. I'm too much of myself. I hate myself. And I don't like to talk that much. So I'm just walking around here. Just walking. I'm running. Oh, phew. Where was I saying? Oh, yeah. I'm just, you know what? I'm just talking. Oh, I'm awoke. What the frick? Why are you awake? Because I was not only knocked out a few minutes. Oh, you poor person. We're attached to each other. We're attached to each other. We're gonna be like this for a couple of days. Oh, and just to say, we're gonna talk about this one video that you people totally didn't like. FNAF, the original song. No one got no views or subscribers. What the heck, guys? What is wrong with you people? You people are little fricks. You people are fricks and hecks. I don't know why don't you people like good comedy. Sure, we may add some swearing, but if our vids was ever a movie, it'll be PG-13 comedy. And we try our best. Yeah, we try our best. These people are critics. Yeah, man, you people are critics. You didn't like FNAF, the original story that only came out yesterday. Fuck you. Okay, well, the key right here with a glowing reindeer. Look at that glow. Look at it glow. Okay, now take an admire of this beautiful, dangerous, possibly deadly place. Shit. Well, that doesn't matter to me. I'm just trying to get home. There's the pizzeria. Freddy Fazbear's Pizza World. Looks beautiful. Hey, look, there's my little dog. It's a little dog. We own a little dog. Yes, we did, you little frick. Look, he's right there. He has a name, Mackie. Look at the little dog. Mackie. Okay, let's get inside. He needs to go to the restroom. I need to get inside. So let's go on and meet the banana splits. Okay. I'm walking up the stairs. Need to hold on to this. Walking up the stairs. Walking up the stairs. Walking up the stairs. I love to do this. Okay. Take a Meyer. This is the last video. Okay. Okay. Now just need a key. Which key is it? This one. Is it this way? Wait. Oh, Scratch Up, you're terrible. I may be terrible. As long as I'm alive, no one but me can stop me. You fuck. I'm gonna do it. Oh, I'm gonna be off for a while. Off screen mode. off screen mode. Okay, wait. Need to get this door in. Wait, what? I need to get my door. Wait, is this thing open? Wait, no, it's not open. I can't believe I fought for. Oh, wait, this thing. There we go. There we go. The hardest part is to get the key out. Wait, let's see if it's actually gonna be easy. Come out, key. Come out. Hey, it came out. Time to go home. Wait, where's the lid? Well, I'll lock the door later. I smell something good. I'm gonna try it. Hey, little doggy. I'll leave the chicken. Sausage. Chicken. I'll eat it later. Bye, guys, and have a great time 2020. Booyah. Hallelujah. Ow, my face.